to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on shift lock mode in Jujutsu Shenanigans and on mobile. And let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and turn on shift lock mode, what you need to do is basically go over to your settings. From settings, you want to go ahead and make sure that your shift lock switch is turned on, but for this game it is set by the developer, so there's nothing really you could do. So what instead you want to do is you want to go ahead and go over to settings, and you want to go ahead and switch your camera mode to follow, because follow should be the shift lock alternative for shift lock mode basically. But sometimes on your screen, on your phone or tablet screen, there should be a shift lock button itself. I believe it's like a circle icon, so you guys can try pressing that, but essentially you will see that triangle pop up. But if that doesn't work, or if there's no button that was given by the developer, what instead you could do is simply just go over to settings, go over to camera mode and set it to follow, and then that should be the equivalent. You can also go ahead and play around with the other camera modes as well. Maybe you like the other camera modes better, like classic for example, or whatever the other camera modes are. So yeah, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.